All right, TikTok, we're finally closing out this job here at the Greater Houston Club. That's it. That's it. That's the work. All right. Perfectly repaired, perfectly done. Okay. Got to do what you got to do to get it done. They're happy, I'm happy. All right, team, this is the finished product. All right, as you can see, an exact replica of what was there. Straightened out that piece, right? Got everything back on point. Added the new track. All right, you seeing it as it is. All right, TikTok, this is part of the repair. I had replaced it with a steel bar to give it a little bit more strength. That piece was bent. It's this piece right here. You can see, it's pretty bent. So that's what we add on it. It's looking perfect. This is the other situation that we had. Remodifying this as well. I'll give you guys an update of that as well. That's replica of this piece. Without the folding part, we're not gonna do that part anymore. But you know what it is, man. It's your boy DC coming to you live right here at the Greater Houston Shooting Club. All right, TikTok, it's DC again. Visionary hand mobile welding. Got another day, another dollar. Anyway, I'm showing you guys an aluminum welding with tool. We did do a lesson today, but I want you guys to take the action and prepare for a tower. Okay, so it's the weld. I got to kind of block the air and everything. So those things y'all look out for whenever you're welding moving out the field. Y'all can see it. Alright, clean weld. Perfect. Aluminum weld. Alright. Making sure you guys know we do it for real. Okay? Alright, so we'll check back in when we get a little bit further. But right now, y'all be blessed. Alright, check out. Y'all see we're doing some aluminum welding. Still pretty hot. Alright. Doing several different situations welding on this repair. We gotta get that little bend out of there. I'm butting every little part that needs some type of support. So I know it's a little loud, but hopefully I can hear me. But yeah, so once we get it back stand up, I have another piece I'm working on, and that will pretty much take this whole situation and make it new. And they'll be able to do much more than what they're doing now.